Did you know Texas leads California in wildfire acreage burned? Despite this alarming statistic, the Lone Star State relies heavily on local volunteer firefighters, while Californians benefit from a professional statewide force. Meanwhile, over 30,000 people moved into fire-prone areas in Texas just this year, exacerbating the risk. Furthermore, lax building codes and soaring insurance rates are creating a potential housing crisis even worse than 2008's. This dangerous combination of factors paints a grim picture for Texas, and urgent action is needed. Subscribe to our channel for more crucial updates on this developing situation.
A JetBlue pilot facing charges related to the sexual exploitation of a